Okay, so next up is Emma Noone. Emma is Research Project Manager in St. Luke's Radiation Oncology Network. And as we've mentioned, there are multiple radiation studies, which is very well supported in Cancer Trials Ireland. So, Emma, thank you. You should be able to see it.
Perfect, thank you. And next is here.
Just the green.
Yeah. Thank you, Bill, for the introduction. I'm delighted to be here today to discuss the future of radiotherapy trials, albeit a very high-level review of what we do and where we're going. So for the purpose of today, I've broken this down into three areas: how advancements in radiotherapy will shape the future of trials, the huge opportunities we have in radiotherapy homegrown investigator-initiated trials, and utilising collaboration to progress and keep the momentum in a fast-changing oncology environment. One trend we'll see continue advance in the future is hypofractionation. Previous studies have shown that hypofractionation is as safe and effective as standard radiation therapy and can lead to improved treatment outcomes and potentially positive economic impacts while being a less invasive treatment option for our patients. We've already seen a shift in practice towards hypofractionation, particularly in that of early-stage non-cell lung cancer and oligometastatic disease. The continued strides in these and other disease sites are likely to be something that we should expect to see further refined in RT trials in the future. We can't look at the future without looking at the role AI will play, and this is certainly true of radiotherapy. Fundamentally, AI is a computer algorithm, and as radiation oncology and its treatment is interwoven with computing technologies, AI is one of the key advances that will enable the clinical application and sophistication of adaptive radiotherapy. Future RT trials explore the benefits of adaptive radiotherapy by improving treatment accuracy and sparing healthy tissues in tighter time constraints, will not only help with the economic demand of keeping healthcare costs down and improve patient outcomes, but will also provide a valuable RTQA platform for this type of treatment. Similarly, radiomics coupled with AI holds promise for predicting treatment outcomes, identifying treatment response early, and optimising radiotherapy treatment planning. Future RT studies may also leverage advanced imaging techniques in order to provide more precise and effective radiation doses. Finally, in the next 25 years, it's predicted that the typical cancer patient in Europe will be over 70 years of age. Therefore, the cancer patients we consider to be the elderly and more fragile will be the typical cancer patients of tomorrow. Currently, there's no clear evidence for a reduction of radiation tolerance with increasing age. Modern radiation techniques have reduced acute and late side effects, thus extending the boundaries of what is possible in regards to the radiation treatment intensity for elderly or frail patients. The cohort of older patients is currently underrepresented in RT trials, and this results in very limited high-level evidence, which ultimately plays a role in future clinical decisions. An increase of RT trials, which includes this demographic, should be considered in order to meet the future needs of population's increase in life expectancy and the older patient demographic receiving radiotherapy. Good examples of these include the EORTC's Ravina study and also the University of Florence's Europa study. So, how do we get there in radiotherapy? As well as delivering on international, collaborative and combined modality studies, radiation oncology is uniquely placed and experienced in delivering investigator-initiated trials. IITs are especially crucial to radiotherapy in the future, as it is fast-paced and an ever-evolving clinical science. There are many benefits to RT IITs. They focus on the unmet medical and academic need and also enable a rapid response to evolving clinical needs. They provide an excellent opportunity for PPI to play a role. They offer flexibility and agility. And they also foster collaboration and promote knowledge sharing. However, they also come with their challenges. including limitations of time, funding, and resources. However, despite these, RT IITs have continued to develop and thrive, as you can see by a couple of the examples I've shown above. These are homegrown studies. The IMRT pancreas with Dr. McVeigh, the spine saver with Professor Claire Fall and Dr. Schieffer O'Sullivan, the open study with Professor Sinead Brennan, and the source lung study with Professor John Armstrong. This leads into my last slide, collaboration. Collaboration is and always will be of great importance to future RT studies. Cancer research and treatment is multifaceted and thus requires a multifaceted approach. The final slide displays a number of examples, and only examples, of collaboration in RT trials, both within and outside of radiation oncology. We hope to develop and enhance the relationships we have, foster new relationships, and ultimately promote knowledge sharing and expertise exchange. In conclusion, the future of RT trials holds great promise for advancing cancer care treatment through the integration of emerging technologies, assessing and addressing unanswered clinical questions through IITs, and developing collaborative research partnerships. Thank you.